Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today our doodle is a cute little chick. So please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All of that really helps out the channel a lot. Alright, so let's get started with our cute little chick. I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to do a little shape like this. Like that. And I'm going to color, well actually sorry, I'm going to make a little circle right here. And then I can color everything else in dark. Okay, so next we're going to do the beak. So I'm going to give it a little bit of space from the eye, and I'm going to make a little shape like this. Like that. So a bit of a silly shape. And then we're going to make it a little bit pointy. Like that. And we're going to give it a little bottom. Okay, so now it's got a top and a bottom. Okay, so now we can start doing little strokes with our pen or our pencil. And we're going to go in a rounded shape here for the head. And they're just, these little strokes help to show texture of this little chick. Nice soft texture. And we're not going to do a full circle. We're going to kind of come off this way and start doing the shape of the body. So he's going to be a nice fluffy chick. So lots and lots of little fluffy bits for texture. And coming on up like that. And now we can give a little bit of shaping here for the wing. Just like that. And let's do a foot. We've got two little lines right here. And I'm going to do a little back claw. And then we can do 1, 2, 3 little toes. And do a little line here for their little claws. So we're just going to continue on with this little foot. Do a little shape like that. Give a little back toe. And let's add some color. Alright everyone, we are finished our cute little chick. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!